guys, you're watching Surface Apple. This is the gaming PC, the gaming case for 2013. Looks awesome. As you can see, it's brown. I will put glass later here. So have this logo of youtube.com/Surface Apple. Subscribe, and yeah, have LEDs here. Pretty nice. Pretty well. Here is the back of the PC. Looks awesome. And the other side is brown. It's simple. LOL. Okay, here's what is inside. The LEDs, place for some CD drives and stuff like this. Outside the power button, place for the motherboard, and yeah, as you can see, everything is painted. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will catch you later. Peace.